What?
You have all channel commander, right?
Yes.
Well, we should tell a majority of our forces to focus on a single flag, and I think it should be the flag closest to the main.
Well, Erzak is doing that. I'm just sending the orders for you, and I'm telling what we are doing. Well, he's a second general and I'm first, but I'm concentrated to playing with you, so I'm letting him leading the whole division. Is the car at the south base? Modern, can you check is the car in the D5?
I'm currently kind of busy in the air.
Oh, bad.
Oh, it's so much hecticness here. Alright, I'm going to D5.
What?
I'm heading towards D5.
Okay. Oh, car spawn.
A car is found.
Enemy car in D5.
Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Cepheyi yüklediler.
Is down.
Zafere doğru. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Düşmanı geri çektik. Düşman canımıza atıyor. Yardım!
Oh, there's
Zafere doğru. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Cepheyi aldık.
Ooh.
Düşman saflarımıza atıyor.
Sorry, darkness.
I'm allowed to say sorry though in the chat.
Yardım!
So the Erzak told you to go higher. Mordeman and Morgus and Milans.
Damn, I didn't notice it. I'm flying the bomber. I thought I was flying the fighter, that's why it was so slow.
Oh, bomber is not good on this map.
Yes, basically dead meat.
Düşmanı geri çektik.
Something is strange with the engine of my plane. He have stopped to working.
Düşman saflarımıza atıyor.
Doesn't that mean they simply got shut down?
I think I fly too high.
Cepheyi aldık.
Oh, yeah, that happens at altitude, but then you wouldn't be able to maneuver at all. You would basically drop.
Ağaç üstüne. Bir
Oh,
cepheyi
Mutant is
kaybettik.
having its fun. He's kicking everybody.
Cepheyi yüklediler.
Are we don't have any flags.
Did we fight sea battles in this tournament?
It's next Saturday.
Okay, thanks.
Car here.
Oh, enemy infantry.
Kaplara doğru.
I'm taking car and I'm coming back to Hogan.
Yeah, it's me and Darkness there now.
Bir cepheyi
On there.
Enemy infantry.
Düşmanın hepsi
Born Darkness is the enemy.
So how did he get there?
ölü de alın.
I don't know actually.
Well, I'm coming right now.
I have to stop to assume that the other guy will turn first.
He Darkness down infantry.
Düşman askerler göründü.
Have their planes rockets?
Cepheyi aldık.
The fuck? The light machine gun there. Okay.
Cepheyi aldık.
Oh, we lead.
Ağaç üstüne. Bir cepheyi kaybettik. Cepheyi aldık.
Seems like intent is well breaking rules.
A little too busy to watch the chat right now.
Düşman canımızı okuyor.
Well, I can tell you.
Kaplara doğru. Bir cepheyi kaybettik.
Damn, I'm the top scoring player.
Cepheyi aldık.
I'm going to leave after this,
Bir cepheyi
Sorry.
kaybettik.
but it's night and I need to sleep.
Infantry left side, drive over him.
Alright,
Okay.
good night, game player.
Right in front of us.
Who should join our squad then? Because we have 4-player squad, right?
Maybe Wolfx,
Oh shit.
maybe. Or Robot.
He doesn't like me.
Well, you're alone.
Oh, you died.
Yeah, died and
Should
spawned,
I pick you?
spawned in main.
Cepheyi aldık.
I pick you up from the main base.
Yeah,
Oh, my car is almost
I can repair you.
good. They're shooting.
I'm running towards you with a wrench in my right hand.
Well, I'm in main base coming.
Running right towards you. Don't drive over me.
Bir cepheyi kaybettik.
Arızdayım.
Gameplay, are you in that car?
Yeah.
That'll keep you company.
See the plane flowing?
Marcus,
Yes.
don't use all jet.
Okay.
Or mutants kick you. So. Or enemy shooting.
Yeah, I see they're up there.
Margaret, get used to getting hit in the sky. It's constantly happening all over the place.
Mutants still kick.
Oh, damn. I'm kicked from the server.
Join back.
I got
Don't use
killed.
all jet anymore.
Okay.
And I'm not kicked, but killed.
Yeah, somebody was shooting. I fell down to the water and I was running up. I think a plane got me.
Yeah.
Bir cepheyi kaybettik.
I'm wondering how's the car.
Yeah.
If we get over, we could fly a little bit before
Yeah,
we go.
if you can fly, you can take that gunner. Can be your gunner.
Yeah.
Because I can't fly.
I'm back.
Car is here.
Yeah. Let's fly sometime, but not long.
Oh, what the fuck? Above
And then we
us?
may.
Kaflara doğru.
That must be camping.
Kaflarımızı açıyor.
Yeah. Let's go in the car.
Wait.
Düşmanı geri tuttuk.
It's not the wisest of ideas to leave a plane right in front of our planes.
Yeah, I'm moving it. Can you take a car to us? Do you have the car? Hold on.
It's Marcus and me, but
Cepheyi aldık.
What?
Kaflarımızı açıyor.
we can win this.
Bir cepheyi kaybettik.
Oh, they are 25 and we are 18. It's better if we win then.
Düşman saflarımızı aşıyor.
Okay, I'm entering the south town from the west.
It's a car there, so they are probably infantry there as well.
Tepeyi aldık.
I think I see infantry.
Yeah.
Yes.
Düşman saflarımızı aşıyor.
Shit. It's two infantry there, game player. One in the small gun that I use. And one on the roof by the small gun. You know what I mean? One
Yeah.
laying there.
I recorded a few minutes ago, a few seconds ago, somebody who bailed and they had to wing him. But oh well.
Düşman canımızı okuyor.
Did you get both game player?
Don't know.
One was in the small gun I'm using, and on there you can jump to another roof. Another one was laying on that roof. Infantry.
Yeah, it's not the inf anymore.
Okay, I'm coming in the car.
Good.
Saflara doğru.
Oh, there is still.
It's nice to win when we are outnumbered.
Oh, we got flag. Or they got flag, but we got the town.
Whoever was flying with me in the formation, we were way too close to each other. We could have killed each other.
How is it at the train station? Anyone in the air gun there?
Well, I'm
I'm
in
driving.
the AA gun at the town.
I'm driving through it and see. Oh, it's smoking.
Tepeyi aldık. Tepeyi kaybettik. Düşmanı geri düştük. Düşman tayyarı tepeyi kaybettik. Tepeyi kaybettik.
Careful, they capture the A gun in C5.
Düşman saflarımızı aşıyor. Tepeyi aldık.
I'm a little too busy to care about AA guns right now.
Düşman canımızı okuyor.
So much to shoot.
Düşman askerler göründü.
Oh, team kill.
If you want my AA gun, just get.
Düşmanı geri düştük.
Infantry here.
Düşman askerler mevziyi kaybetti. Cepheyi aldık. Düşman canımızı okuyor. Düşmanın jet düştü. Raflara doğru.
Oh, we win this.
Düşman tasarımda açıyor.
We have superior fighters then.
Cepheyi aldık.
I mean, player-wise.
Raflara doğru.
Is this a final game?
I don't know.
Tanklara hücum.
If it is, we have win the tournament. 2 wins in the other map, 1 here.
Batısı atışı lazım.